Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Neo Vintage Gucci Supreme Messenger Bag, otherwise known as the Gucci camera bag. I had bought this bag in January, so it's been sitting in my closet, but it is the perfect bag for summer. So if you're interested to see what it looks like, then please keep watching. Alrighty, so here it is. It's been in the box in my closet since January of 2021. I bought it when I went to the store and I absolutely fell in love with it. However, I had just bought the multi-pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. So I was like, well, I'll just wait until summer because I think this is the perfect summer bag. So let's just go ahead and open it. All right, so here is the bag. I have the adjustable straps right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hook them on. What I love about this bag is that it's got the brass hardware throughout. It's got a little lion right at the front and then the Gucci embossing. It's got the brass hardware on the sides and then these little clasps actually say Gucci on it. The front is canvas as well as the back, and then it's got the brown leather trim around the sides. And then it's got the yellow details right here on the zipper. It just pulls open like that. And then on this side as well, it's got the green and red Gucci web, which I absolutely love. And then the front, or the inside, I'm sorry, is the cotton linen floral print. It's got one open pocket on the inside with no zipper on that part as well. This bag is really similar to the design, to the Marmont design, pretty much essentially the same thing, just a different look. However, this bag is paying homage to the past, to Gucci's past. They would repair luggages, and they would just kind of throw whatever pieces and colors they had available to those luggages or to those luggage pieces to fix them. So this is why that bag looks this way with different colors. I personally love it. I think it's so cute. This is going to be a great summer bag. You just kind of put it over your shoulder, you wear it crossbody, and you'll be good to go. I'm 5'3", and this hits me right at my waist, and I can do like 2 or 3 mod shots and show you how it looks. But this bag is super, super cute. These clasps go on and off like this. I have seen reviews that say that these come off. Obviously I've never used the bag, so I don't know that to be true or not, but I will definitely update you guys in the future when I start getting more use out of this bag. When I bought this bag, it was about $900 at the Gucci store, and since then it has had a price increase. I think now it's like $1,100 or so, but I still think it's a great price for the bag. It's really spacious on the inside. I'm sure I could fit a lot. So I think it's going to be very durable. It's got the canvas right here, and then of course the leather on the side. So I think that I could definitely rough this up a little bit more than my other bags, and it'll do just fine. Of course, you don't want to take it out when it's like raining and stuff like that. Just like with any other bag, you want to take care of it. But I really, really like this bag. So the shoulder strap, of course, is about 20 inches, and it hits me right at the waist. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wear it for you guys and give you guys a couple mod shots to see how it looks.